These are the recipe of Kiymali, fried mince, tomato, chili, and some spices. It's act like and adding in it. One time is putting there. That is now. This Kiymali will be added on this top of this bread, and then it goes inside the clay oven and it becomes like this. Look at this. This guy is marinating all the spices together and then he will put on the top of it. Kardeş Pakistan, Turkey kardeş. These people love Pakistani people. Who is respect to Pakistan, mashallah. Pakistan, Turkey, a good relationship altogether. Now, see, he has put these on the top, and now this is an art how to put them all together. Now, these are the timing, game of timing. Two more came now. At the same time, few of them are going inside. At the same time, few of them are coming back. Today is Friday. Like we have biryani and these type of food on Friday, and they also make some special food, and Kiymali is their special food for Friday. Now see, he put it inside and then he will take something from the oven at the same time. This is an art of timing and utilization.